Hi, I'm Jim Bruce, and this was my first book. It's called Alex Q, and it's a science fiction. Like many people, I suspect, I started with an idea, with a story that I really wanted to tell. I knew how the story began, and I knew how it ended. And I had a good idea of the characters that I wanted to include. But this part of the book between the beginning and the ending was quite a mystery to me, how to structure it and how to write it. I began to write, and the plot and the story developed organically, and I really enjoyed it. A paid expert editor reviewed my manuscript afterwards and said although the story is good, the prose was definitely not. It needed a lot of work. I created this course so that new writers like yourself could have access to a set of tools that can be applied immediately to your prose to dramatically improve it. Guaranteed. Sign up now and I'll see you inside.